Hello. Yummy. Here, again. Mom, why did you? Okay, perfect. Well, I'm about done still. Anyway. I went to talk to him today. Is he on? Yay! Whitney's dead. Wait. Dang. There. I told them I'm recording. There. I had to tell them. I'll have to take this ghost medicine because I had like an ear infection and so like yeah. So I had an ear infection and I have to take this ghost medicine and today's the last day, so I need a ginger ale to like take it down. It's gross. I don't like it at all. The pigtails. It's how bad. And then you use pretty high sharp fin. What? Oh, I love those. I'm still wondering, is it here yet? The summer carnival? Is the hyena here yet? Hyena. Psst, hyena. What? It doesn't work. They have to, like, okay, they're just gonna, like, leave me here. They wanted to do pugs. Oh, yeah, pugs. She's, like, famous now, because, like, I make videos. Sorry if I'm talking kind of quietly, because my sister's upstairs, and she was, like, really sick today. My mom's like, you better be quiet. Callie just wants, like, other stuff. Okay. I'm gonna tell her I'm recording. There, I'm recording. This is going on YouTube. That's how I spell YouTube. It's going on YouTube. So I had to talk to her. And if you want to know who she is, she's 1, 2, 3, 4 pup. I got swear bow. Lucky. I wasted all my good stuff on that necklace. Because like, someone was just like, I just sometimes like wasting my stuff. I don't know why I just do. Lightning necklace. Show. Oh well, I have lots of rares. Cool. Cool. I don't. Really have one. Oops. I'm a failure. Because I didn't like just start Animal Jam. I started like, I don't know, like months ago. I don't know. Check my jam. Showing off. Oh. She said she was what? Hey, Chay. Wow. Lucky. I'm just scrolling through her random items. That's not rare. It was a random Monday. Random Monday there. Okay, so so today we are doing the Eagle Adventure. Okay, I'll go right here. So, my Eagle. I really need to change that leaf necklace out right now. Why not? There. But no, so we're gonna do the Eagle Adventure. But unfortunately, we won't like get any there. So You know, it's like 17 minutes, so I'm gonna have to make a part 2. So, Forgotten Desert. Long ago, this was a thriving English land that was protected by the power of. But then the Dark Phantoms invaded. They spread quickly and destroyed everything in their path, including the after crystal shards spread the land. Some of the Phantoms stayed behind to prevent evidence that, like, okay, this is weird, it's not showing right there. I've been studying the Phantoms' movements and we're in luck. They will be searching guards for something. Because if you have wings, you'll be perfect for the job. I need you to fly above the desert and search for the crystal. Try to gather as many as you can before we run out of time and the Phantoms return. If you get out all the shards, blah blah blah. The Phantoms try to hide the shards the best of really could, so search everywhere you can. Good luck. Okay. Why am I still okay? There's like so much glitches today on AJ. To me. At least I'm not. Wait, oh yeah, you have 4 eagles. It's so mean. Okay, the first one. Yeah, no. Okay, this is hard. This is gonna be hard, especially since I'm alone. Because I'm like alone, so. Come on, people, join. What about you, Cactus? Okay, no one's joining freaking adventure. Oh, wait. Okay, I'm getting a lot of yellows. I always get, basically, the, greens. And that's all I can really get. But today's purples. Not purples. You can't even get purples right now because I only have 4 eagles. Sad face. Okay. It seems so quiet. But that's annoying music, so. Oh yeah, I'm never going on YouTube much ever again, because, like, there was this creepy Elsa, like, she looked like evil, like, she had almost, like, evil eyes, and then there were My Little Ponies around her, and it was just, like, creepy. And then there was Anna, and her eyes were, like, crossed, kind of. It was just creepy. Like, it gives me nightmares now. Got it. I'm totally gonna have to make part 2, so. Sorry, this video ends like randomly. Shit. So, oh, treasure. Oh, I need to get motion, so I'm gonna pause it because sometimes I feel like crying when I do it. Actually, never mind, I'm just gonna take it because I have ginger ale right here, so. Yeah, just stay there. It's gross. It's like milk. It's like, it feels like it's solid. I'm wasting my time, so I'm going to take it. Okay, but today's my last day taking it, so I'm so happy. I still taste it a little bit, ew. Okay. I mean, I don't think we have any more drinks for y'all. Oh man, that's so sad. Oh, wait. Oh, we have 14 more minutes left. But when I upload mine, right after it, I'm gonna, like, when it's uploading, I'm just gonna make one because I don't feel like waiting that long again. It takes forever. It takes like 20 minutes to load. At least on mine. Oh, yeah, you're yellow. See, I'm failing, guys. I don't like to move at all. Oh, so I was doing something. Let's go to Subway. Like, their Sprite tastes like ginger ale. I don't know why. It just does to me. Yup. Why am I still hosting it? But it's not even right there. That's so weird. So, like, I don't like the blues. They take forever. You have to, like, find a watering can. See, like this. underwater. Go all the way back where it was. Press it. Just go to bed. Yeah. Forever, I'm done. Yep, feels good.
It does?
Yes.
I like that you do have to go clean up your room you're sleeping. Like it's all over.
Yeah, I can do it a pillow fort. Because I just sleep over. Okay, I don't want to do this anymore. It's getting boring. Why am I still hosting it? I want to be snow leopard. Yoshi as she dies. I got one yesterday. A snow leopard. And I'm going to be it like all the time now because I love snow leopard. There's one more thing that I'm going to copy. Oh. Okay. Wait. Oh, I can't do faces. Push faces. It seems so lonely. What? Oh, never mind. I'm just going to get on YouTube. Okay, be brave, Katie. YouTube. Okay. Go. Okay. No, listen to Shiver. What about selfie? Selfie on a selfie. Selfie. Okay, actually, no, I don't want to do the selfie. Actually, okay. Selfie. Okay, that's just an advertisement, guys. We're famous. Yeah, if there's actually... It's the selfie song.
Because he was totally texting me all night last night, and I don't know if it's a booty call or not. So, like, what do you think? Did you think that girl is pretty? How did that girl even get in here? Did you see her? She's so short, and that dress is so tacky. Where's the makeup? It's not even summer. What? Did you keep on playing Summertime Sadness? After you go to the bathroom, can we go smoke a cigarette? I really need one. But first, let me take a selfie.
Everyone in our school is like obsessed with this. I don't know why, they just are. So I'm just putting down on my nails.
Can you guys help me pick a filter? I don't know if I should go with Epic Pro or Valencia. I want to look tan. What should my caption be? I want it to be clever. How about...
I'm doing the dance.
Hashtag lit. I only going to 10 likes in the last 5 minutes. Do you think I should take it down? Let me take it on a selfie.
I just got selfies on.
Let me take a selfie.
What? This is like my jam. Woohoo! I wonder if there's a new item. What? 10 gallon. Okay, that's just creepy. Let me take
Jason just like my selfie. What a creep. Is that guy sleeping over there? Yeah, the one next to the girl with no shoes on. That's so ratchet. That girl is such a fake model. She definitely bought all her Instagram followers. Who goes out on Mondays? Okay, let's go take some shots. Oh no.
I'm not gonna listen to it. What? Where did she go? How rude. She left a video. Okay, I don't want to listen to the song. But it's just creepy, but so you guys have to see it. Wait, so pause. I'll pause it. So, yeah, babe. Hi guys. So I did put on the song. Because it had that creepy Elsa thing. Like, on the screen. So I had to like, get my mom to get it off. It's like, oh, I can't. Okay. Now, bye. Bye. And I'm looking just another video. So, yeah, bye.